While browsing through the chapters covered as yet, today we will study on sorting data. While we study sorting, the question arises, what is sorting? Sorting is the arrangement of the data. Data can be arranged in either ascending or descending order. Students, you are observing an unsorted and sorted list. You can very well make out that names are sorted in ascending order. If you want to sort data on a single column, these are the steps which will be demonstrated in video. As you observe, the data contains serial number and a name. If we sort on serial number in ascending, then result is this. Just observe here serial number are in this manner. Here serial numbers are sorted in ascending order. If we want to sort on a name in ascending order, then the result becomes this. Here names are sorted in ascending order. These are the steps to sort data on multiple columns. The steps will be demonstrated in video. This video demonstrates sorting on a single column. Observe student, this data is copied at two places. Here we will be sorting on serial number, while as here we will be sorting on name. So we need to select the whole data. Pay attention student. We are studying sorting on a single column, but that doesn't mean that you need to select a single column. Whatever, if you are sorting on a single column, you need to select whole data. If you are sorting on multiple columns, that time also you need to select the whole data. Now, the first step is we will click on data and after that sort. Then it asks sort by. Here we need to sort on serial number. So we will click here serial number and then the moment we click on OK, you will see that serial number has been sorted on ascending order. Same way, we will select the whole data here. In data, if we click on sort, here we will be clicking on sort by name. Observe, now the names are starting with KRA. Once we click on OK, names are sorted on ascending order name wise. This video will demonstrate how we will sort on multiple columns. Now, as I explained earlier, even if you are sorting on single column or multiple column, you need to select the whole data. That's why we are selecting the whole data. First of all, now I want the list should be sorted section wise. If so, we will click on data, click on sort. and then it asks sort by. So we will click on section. The moment we click on OK, all the A section has come first, B, C, D, E, and so on. But now just observe in A section also, this name is starting with A, then S, then A, then A again, and then V. In this section, we want names also to be sorted. So, here we are sorting on section first and then name. We are using two columns to sort. In a section, names also should be sorted. So right now I click on undo so the data becomes as it is. After selecting the whole data, I will click on sort. First we are clicking on section column. So we will select here section. We will click on copy level. It asks then by. Here we will click on name. Now when we click OK, the section has been sorted and within the section the names are also sorted.